Okay, continuing with the 4-panel portrait ground mount, fixed ground mount in King City. This is Jan using the C1000 with the C800 splash guard, and I guess he's only got 3 modular poles. He's removed the 4th one because he doesn't need to clean anymore on the upper. He's just doing the lower 2 panels. So you can see how the brush is just pulling the muddy water off of the panels here. Good look at that muddy water coming off. So we've made a huge dent in the mud caked on here. Get a good look at that mud coming off. So then he just slides over, and there you go. Nice clean frames. He's still got half a row to do. I think there's 200 plus panels long times 4. So we're looking at over 700 panels in a row. Take him a few hours to do that. Hi, Jan. And there's the water station, by the way. So I am driving the water truck and just refilling each cleaner as they need water.